Okay, back on this Bailor cylinder. I got the kit. We had the kit in stock. Just want to show you a couple things here. Okay, inside this there's a brass piece in here where the seal goes, but you got to make sure because there's some seals in here that people don't know about. So this has a couple 1/4 inch by 20 screw bolts in here to get this out. See, if you don't know this, there's this O-ring behind here. So most people just think that's pressed in there, but it does have an O-ring to seal it. So I'm showing you how to get this out. It's a little snap-on puller, the hook on it. I'm going to try to get this out. Let's work it out. There it goes. So I'm going to take these out. These are just to remove it, and I'll show you where the seal is. I've seen this seal go bad before. Okay, you can kind of see it there. It's got an O-ring and a backup, and it's a leak point, so we'll take that out. Take the back out. You want to back out too. You want to place that. That's what it is. And it's super flat. Okay, it needed to be done. This is the one on the head. It's super flat. And I wanted to show you this shaft seal. Let me get a closer look and show you the extrusion on it, why it leaks. And the discoloration from the heat and how this is all flared up here. That's extrusion from the extreme pressure and heat. And this thing hits. Now there is a better seal probably. We might upgrade our kit. Okay, and it's got a hardened backup that goes in here to help stop this extrusion. Okay, so you can see the heat, discoloration, extrusion, and then you got all these other factors. That's why it's leaking. So this shows you why you have to continually reseal these things. They don't last forever. And here's the kit. Okay, this kit's several $100s. It's actually more than that, but it's got everything in it. And it's a kit that I've matched up because I do these quite often. So I've already got it kitted out. You got all your stuff. Here's the new shaft seal, just like the one. Wiper, wear bands that go inside here. You want to replace that. Here's the 2 seals that I pulled off the brass. Okay, then you got the PSQ seal. Wipers, there's a new O-ring, some wear bands for the piston. And I want to show you this one PSQ seal, this 3-piece. This is the expensive one here. It's a $100 seal. This quad ring goes in there, and then this is the internal part. Okay, and I'll show you how to put that on, but I just wanted to kind of lay this out and show you what it takes to redo these things. And like I said, this is a proprietary kit that I've made up. So we're going to throw all these away. They're all shot. We've seen that before. That's going to go in there. We're going to put all new seals in it and get it back together and test it, and then it'll go on the shelf. And then when the other one starts leaking, they'll just swap it out and I'll get the other one. So that gives you a little insight to that. We sell seals here. You get jammed up, can't find one, send it to us so I can help you out somehow to get the seals. And that'll end up being up on our store when we get that going. Okay, stand by.